Hey, what's up you guys? This is Sierra, aka Cali Curls. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am taking you guys with me through my deep conditioning process. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, before I deep condition, always shampoo my hair using in-shower deep conditioner. And then I get out the shower and focus on the deep conditioning process. Before I start, I section off my hair into 4 different sections, and I am going in with Naturall's new ice cream treatment deep conditioner. If you guys see my videos in the past, or you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys know how much I rave about them and their products. Their products are organic, and their products are just bomb in general. If you guys know their deep conditioners are definitely my top favorite, if not my all-time favorite. It has to be my all-time favorite, but you're gonna see why, because every single time I use their deep conditioning masks, the tangles just melt. Like, look at that. It's so satisfying to see my hair go from like super dry and tangled to this in a matter of seconds. So you can see the texture. They do use fresh avocados, real organic ingredients, bomb. You guys, I've been using their products for almost like a year and a half, almost 2 years, and my hair has been doing great using their products, especially if I use them consistently. And yeah, it's been helping me out. If you guys are new, I am transitioning, and you guys can see how bad those ends are. I'm not going into why I'm transitioning yet. I'm going to do a completely different video of what happened, because it was a lot. But you guys can see that deep conditioner, what it did to my hair, and basically fix that up. So I have my hair in 4 different sections. I will put it up with a plastic bag, and then I will use the hot head cap to do a hot deep conditioning treatment, and I'll leave that on for 1 hour, because you guys saw how bad those ends were. I think I went like 2 weeks without deep conditioning, so I just really want to get down and lather it up on my hair. Afterwards, after that hour is done, I'll take it out, rinse it out with cold water, and then I style as usual. So that's pretty much it. I try to deep condition on a weekly basis. I don't get to it. I'm a busy mom. This product, the Avocado and Lavender deep conditioning product, hydrated my hair, nourished it, took out all those tangles. It's just bomb, just like all the rest of them. I mean, between this one and the aloe vera one, I don't know which one was my favorite, but this one is definitely bomb. So if you guys are considering using their products, or you guys tried their other products and love them, try this one. I have a discount code. I will attach it right below. I'll attach all the information down below in the comment section area too. But I mean, look at this hair, you guys. My hair is transitioning hair, okay? So it's damaged, and it has no products in it right now. It looks so bomb. It's just straight out the shower after that deep conditioning. So yeah, I love them. I love their products. Look at this hair. It is going into healthy hair. So if you have damaged hair, dry hair, healthy hair, and you just want to just up your deep conditioning game, I definitely recommend them. So that's it, you guys. I hope that you guys like this video. Thanks for staying with me. I promise I'm gonna get that video out for you guys about what happened to my hair. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.